Good afternoon, class. In this video today, we are taking a look at adjectives and the order of adjectives when describing a noun and using multiple. And so just a couple of rules here. Adjective order. When there is more than one modifier of a noun, the modifiers occur in a fixed order. So opinion, size, age or temperature, shape, color, origin, nationality, social class, material, and purpose. And so adjectives for each category. Opinion here, we've got ugly, beautiful, dull, interesting. Material, wood, cotton, denim, silk, glass. And so just a correlation here, going from left to right, you'll see different examples of each category. Um, the order can be changed to reflect the emphasis a speaker or writer wants to give to a particular adjective. He was a young, interesting man. He was an interesting young man. And so emphasis on young, right? And so this here um, shows that age comes first, right? Age came before opinion, and that's to show that there is an emphasis on the specific adjective young. And so there are usually the rule is followed precisely, but there are a couple a couple of exceptions, right? And so that is one of them when you want to emphasize a specific adjective. But in general, following this position is the correct way to describe a, a noun. And then couple of things as far as advice. It is recommended not to use a number of modifiers, right? To avoid using more than three adjective modifiers. Usually three is the key, the most. Two probably is, um, well, more than three is not necessarily unacceptable, but more common. It is used two, three adjectives to describe a noun. And avoid using more than one or two noun modifiers. So let's see here. Usually adjectives are not used to describe a a a noun, right? But here you'll see commas are used, and the rule for that is commas will let's see specifically. Just one second. So as far as the pausing and use of commas here, um, the last category. So when the modifiers are in the same category, we normally pause, meaning the use of commas, right? And so commas represent a pause. Modifiers in the same category. It was an icy, dark, stormy evening. He is an arrogant, opinionated, proud man. So there are commas, right? But when they are a part of a different category, we don't use commas. So I'm going to wear my round blue sapphire earrings. He is an elderly, middle class man. There are no commas there, right? And so I'm just going to show you a couple of examples here to illustrate this grammar rule. And so just kind of taking a look. So if we have adjectives, the dog is, right? Big, the dog is, let's just say, three adjectives. Let's just say he is big, um, brown, and happy, right? And so when we modify a noun, adjectives come first. So the dog, the big, brown, happy dog, right? And so the order of these adjectives depend on the category. This is not correct, by the way, but you can uh, big, brown, uh, happy dog. And so the happy, big, brown dog. And so again, grammatically, if they're one if you want to emphasize a specific adjective, it is okay to put it first. But looking here, there are no commas because they're all different categories. So big is going to be size. Rule number 2, brown is going to be color. Rule number 5, or position number 5 rather, and happy is going to be opinion, right? And so um, the correct order would be opinion, position 1, color is position 5, and big is position 2. And so the correct order would be uh, the happy big brown dog, right? Uh, Word here does not think the big brown happy dog is incorrect. And that is, again, okay if I am speaking in a sense where I want to emphasize the adjective big and brown. Want to emphasize it, meaning the importance of this adjective. This dog is a big dog, right? And so um, just another example here, kind of looking at one where if I said the dog is happy, let's just say cute and beautiful. Um, in this case, we've got 3 adjectives in the same category. So the happy, beautiful, cute dog. And this all here is going to be opinion. So there is no specific rule as far as I know, as far as the order, when they are in the same category. Um, but we do pause, meaning we have to add commas, right? And so the beautiful, happy, cute dog, um, because these are all opinions, we're going to put commas in between the different adjectives, right? And so if this adjective, the happy, cute, the happy, cute dog, again, because these are all position number 1, opinion, right? Not everybody may think the dog is happy or cute or beautiful. And so that is an opinion. We all have different opinions. And so because these are all the same category, we would put a pause according to the modifier rule here, pronunciation notes. Okay, so hopefully this is helpful. Um, it is grammatically, it isn't incorrect to have more than 3, but when you go on to describe a noun with 4 or 5 adjectives, it doesn't make sense. And so most of the time, more commonly, I would say 2 adjectives is plenty, right? And so 3, no more than 3. So hopefully this video helps you out as far as this grammar rule. If you do have questions, please message me in Canvas or email me. Thank you very much.